Today, I have a product that is really making waves in the robotic vacuum industry. This is the creatively designed Eureka E10S robot vacuum with bagless self-emptying station. But what makes the Eureka E10S so unique? Well, for starters, it empties itself automatically into its specifically constructed base station. In addition to saving you valuable time, this also helps the HEPA filters last a lot longer. The station uses Eureka's own multi-cyclone technology, which was directly influenced by their stick vacuum cleaners. This minimizes the need for regular filter changes and additional maintenance by ensuring that big particles are adequately filtered out. This feature is also very important for those of us who care about the environment. The bagless dust tank on the E10S does away with the need for dust bags completely, in addition to holding up to 45 days worth of dirt and debris. This results in reduced waste and a yearly savings of up to $70 or even probably more on dust bag purchases depending on where you get them from. It really is that easy. Just carry the tank to a trash can, hit the empty button, and you're done. Garbage, debris, dust, hair, particles, gone.
Gone, just like that.
This means you have another 1.5 months to go before needing to empty the canister again. The E10S was easy to unbox and set up. Inside the box was the quick start guide, the user manual, a handy little cleaning tool, an additional mop pad, a right cleaning brush and a left cleaning brush, the docking multi-cyclone station, and the Eureka robot vacuum cleaner itself. The moment the vacuum is turned on, it begins to operate.
Waiting for internet connection. Please follow the instruction.
I found the Eureka app to be very intuitive and easy to use. I scanned the QR code, downloaded it to my iPhone,
Starting to connect. Please wait.
and just like that,
Connected.
probably one of the easiest robot vacuum cleaners I've ever set up. After I completed connecting to the robot vacuum cleaner itself, I had a lot of different options in here, but first, let's get this thing updated. I do love that they push new features out to the Eureka E10S, and you can update it anytime you want when they push out a new firmware. Let's get this thing mapping through the use of LiDAR technology. The first time you run it, it will intelligently map out your entire space. You can actually watch this in real time inside of the mobile app, which I think is pretty cool. You can see how it goes around all of the obstacles, furniture, and other things in your room that it needs to navigate around. It can actually climb over things as high as 20 millimeters, which is impressive. It features 2 rotating brushes next to it that collect dust rather than dispersing it. It easily gathers up everything from crumbs to pet hair thanks to its 4,000 PAs of suction power and carpet boost features all built in. What more could you really ask for from a robot vacuum cleaner? Well, what if you could set up no-go zones, schedule cleaning times, change the suction power, and alter a slew of other parameters using an easy app? There's even an additional level of convenience provided by the support of Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. It doesn't end with vacuuming though. The E10S can replace your mop as well. The E10S mop's ultrasonic carpet sensors are smart enough to prevent wet carpets by raising the mop pads 10 millimeters whenever carpet or rugs are identified. And it also raises the mop pads when it's docked at the base station so they properly dry out. The Eureka E10S's RoboVac does more than simply clean. It also allows you to operate remotely, sweeps, vacuums, and even mops your area while intelligently navigating and mapping it. Its optical avoidance was one of the best I have actually experienced. It does all this while looking out for the environment with its bagless multi-cyclone canister. It's among the most time-saving, low-maintenance, and dependable robot vacuums available right now. In the event that your Eureka E10S ever gets bumped or nudged while it's in the docking station, no worries, it will actually park itself again. It actually detects that it's been bumped off, but still in close proximity to the docking station, so it will realign itself, find the docking station again, and dock itself, so you never have to worry about a dead E10S just because there was some pesky little toddler pushing it around for fun.
Toddler.
A toddler.
Not to get too dirty with you, but this is what my floors look like before the Eureka E10S, and this is what they look like after just one run of not only the vacuum cycle, but also the mop cycle. And I've used this thing for a little over 2 weeks now, and I am extremely pleased with the quality of the build and the overall cleaning power of it, especially for the price point. You cannot forget the price point that this Eureka E10S vacuum cleaner comes in at. So be sure to check the links in the description of this video to get the best possible price, and it helps support this channel. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video.